Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join reports in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you need simply to go and start creating reports. And basically you can find it either by going to the navbar and find your reports here, or you can go to the app launcher and search for reports. So by clicking on reports, you will be able to access your reports. If you cannot find this in your navbar, you can simply go to this icon and customize your navbar by adding the reports and search for them from here. So now I'm just going to the reports and I'm going to run new reports. So I'm just going to click on new reports and for example, I'm going to choose, let's just wait for the page to load and let's choose accounts, for example. Click on start, and basically here we can find join the reports by choosing format. So simply you need just to go here to this report icon, and I'm just going to click on join the report. I'm going to apply, and now we need just to add a new block that we are going to join. So now we have uh, the accounts, and let's suppose that you want to add accounts and opportunities. So now we have two blocks. So I'm just going to click on run, and now we are having our joined reports. So simply this is how you can do it, and basically you can start editing whatever you like. So as you can see, we can add group across blocks. You can choose whatever you like. Start having only the things that you would like in the fields. For example, only choose such these ones, and you will need just to do whatever you like. You refresh, and you will start having your joined reports. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.